All right, what is going on, you peeps? How you doing? I'm doing great. You know why I'm doing great? Because behind me, you can see there's some activity happening. I'm super pumped about it. Finally, we get to framing. I'm excited. This is the real deal. All right. As you know, if you've been following along for some time on this channel, we've been building a barn dominium, which is right here behind me. And that's for my in-laws. There's a garage space and there's a living space. If you haven't checked out my other videos, check it out. All right. The other thing, we building our house right here behind me. Okay, that's the plan, and that's what's going on. I'm super pumped about it. What is this? A stray hair? I don't like that. I don't like it one bit. I got my hair up. It makes it easy. Okay, don't judge. Don't judge. All right. So that's what's going on here. Excited about it. We got a lot of activity. Let's go take a look at what's happening. Most of the exterior walls are up. Most of the interior walls are getting up. And I'll also show you we're starting to work on the septic system. As you can see, we got some diggage. We got some diggage over here, over there, all that jazz. So let's do it. Let's take a walk through real quick.
Oh yeah, we rolled right next to it. It ended. Bet. Okay, so pop that loose. You're going to use that header again. Run over here, big guy, into the garage. Look for a 33-inch header package.
Put this together.
You really didn't take too much time to do it, buddy. I was not impressed with the overall speed.
It took 30 seconds.
So you can see we got some activity going on. Now, we also got septic coming in, which I'm pumped about because we finally dropped them deuces. You know what I'm saying? All right. Oh, what they do? They broke it? What'd they do here? Seriously? You clowns. They done broke my stuff. Alright, so let's see some drone footage of the progress. Here we go. That's a beaut, ain't it? That's so nice looking. Ooh, I'm excited about all that footage. We're gonna be getting with the drone on the property. It's gonna be fun. It's exciting. It's a mucho fano. Okay. Yeah. So all them wrapped up for the day. I got a delivery of coming here tonight. Looks like it'll be here in an hour or so. I got more 2x6s, 10-foot studs coming. They didn't have enough, it looks like. I got my LVLs that for some reason we didn't order. And I've got my cedar beams, okay? My cedar beams and posts that are gonna be in the front of the house here. As you can see, this whole area right here is gonna be a front porch, okay? So that's how it's, we got dug footings for this area. Unfortunately, it was That was, I don't know why they did that. They jacked it up initially, but hey, it is what it is. We have footings here for the front porch, and this whole thing is going to have an overhang and beams and posts and stuff like that. So that's all coming. Man, building is expensive. I tell you what, you got this, and that's, you know, $7,000 here, $8,000 there, $1,000 there, $10,000 there, $1 bazillion over here, and everybody just wants to get a little bit of that pie. But me, I'm just the baker, and I'm a single guy working it out. I mean, what can I do? I don't even know if that made any sense. It doesn't matter. You guys don't care anyway. No one's watching these videos. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so we got some progress happening up in here. Look at this garage. I'm excited. The garage looks nice. It's a nice size. It's only 2-car. I went and opted for the 2-car because, again, you go for the 3-car, that's another expense, right? I mean, you know, hindsight, should I have gone for the 3-car? It's all good. I'll be fine with 2. Plus, we got the barn dominium. Don't forget, we got the barn dominium. All right, so any other storage and extra stuff that, you know, I thought, you know, could be used, or a shop, whatever that 3rd car could be used for, could have serviced that way. Oh gosh, I can't even make sentences. So, boy, bust my stuff up in here. So we'll be fine with 2-car. I ain't too worried about it. But yeah, they're still working on some interior walls here. I think that's master closet, and it's I think, man, there's some things that are a little big in this house. Although when you look at the walls being up and everything else, it doesn't seem all that big. But then at the same time, when you put drywall up, that kind of makes things even seem a little bit bigger. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. All right, we'll see. Like the master bedroom. This right here, it doesn't look or feel all that big, but I mean, it's a decent size. It's not like, I mean, we're not building a mansion. We humble folk. All right. So that's what we do. All right, that's how we do here. But yeah, they made some good progress. This is 2 days of work right here. 2 days of work. I'm hoping we can get things. And don't forget, we got the bonus room going above the garage, which I am pumped about. I'm very excited about that. Very. But that's it, folks. I mean, what else to say? What else do I say? Follow along. Keep up to date with what we're doing. We're building. We're building in this crazy world. We're building. I don't know. Was it the right move? I don't know. I can't tell you. I think it was obviously the right move. It is what it is. It happened how it happened, right? Were we, acting out of selfishness? I don't know. I don't think we were. I'd like to think we weren't. But no, I think building the house, this has always been something we wanted to do. Build a house from the ground up. Obviously, I'm not doing a lot of this labor as of today, right? I'm not pouring no foundation, and I'm not putting up these walls. That's some job I can't do, right? And even if I could, I probably could figure it out. But even if I could, there's no time. I got a full-time gig. It's just not happening. So, you hire people for the stuff you can't do, but once we got it going, it's gonna be pretty exciting. I'll get to work on some stuff just like I got going on at the barn dominium, and we got some progress being made over there. Drywall is done, as you've seen in the previous videos, and what's next is we prep for paint, right? You saw that in the previous video. It's painting time. The floor heat is it's working. It's working. Got a little bit of tweaking to do as far as how comfortable we like it, but overall, hey, we got radiant floor, baby. If you want to see a video about that, check out my previous videos. We've installed that radiant system, installed the PEX and everything else throughout the slab, set up the system. It's an awesome little system. It's great. So far so good. It is keeping the place nice and toasty. I'm curious. I want to go check out the tank over there, the propane tank, and see how much how efficient this thing is. It's been I don't know. It's been a week, I think, or so. I'll see if it made even a dent on the little meter there, or on the gauge. But yeah, we're getting it done, folks. We got floors and everything else going on the barndominium. Gonna be installed. Yeah, kitchen coming, finish work, all that jazz. So stay tuned, folks. We getting it done. Exciting stuff happening right here. Anyway, hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for a lot of things. There's probably more things that I can count that I'm thankful for. Keep being thankful. Stay thankful. Don't pretend like anybody owes you something. Unless, of course, they do, then go get it. All right. Y'all take it easy. Till next time. Peace.